Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it's Saturday the 2nd of May 2020, and it's the weekly Ichimoku analysis for Euro and Cable for the first week of May. And as you can see, for both the pairs, it was a positive week last week, but still constrained within the support and resistance zones, with the cable slightly above the mid-range of the zone. Let's take a look at the euro on the weekly time frame. And after strong support at the end of the previous week with this long wick candle, there was a resumption of the bullish bias for last week, and it rallied to finally hit the 110 level, and then pull back slightly to close the week. Still a fairly positive week. We'll see whether it's able to break through the 110 and move up to retest the 50% fib retracement level. That's where the weekly Kijun is as well. Let's mark this as a potential resistance level here. Alright, so that's around the 106.50 area. But if it does climb up to that level, there's going to be a lot of resistance up here with the bottom of the Kumo, with the downtrend of the weekly 55 EMA. So there's limited upside if it does break through the 110. Let's take a look at the cable. And similar to the euro last week, did find some continuation bullish bias. However, after retesting a recent swing high, it also pulled back into the resistance zone right below the 125 area, and but just above the 50% fib retracement and the weekly Kijun. So we'll see whether there's going to be a continuation of the sell-off for next week, and there could be support at the Tenkan Sen at the 123.05. So this could be a intermediate support level. If it does break out higher, it needs to break through the Kumo and towards the 62 fib retracement and the 127 level, round figure level. But it's difficult to see that happening so soon. So there's probably consolidation within this zone, and if it does dip lower, then there is support from the 38.2 fib retracement level. Let's take a look at the monthly chart. And last month it did close slightly bullish, but in a smaller range. And on the daily time frame, it's sitting on the critical previous resistance, but we'll see whether it's going to be a strong support to give it a boost. Alright, likewise, let's go back to the euro. And on the monthly time frame, I did find some support from the 108 and climb up, but it's possible that there's going to be further consolidation. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. Its first reaction was to pull back from the daily Kumo, so it's going to be tough to break through this for now. Even attempt to try to reach the daily 200 EMA, so there's possible consolidation for next week. Alright, so meanwhile, do check out my other videos on spot gold, dollar yen, and further analysis of the euro, cable, and Aussie dollar. And do have a safe week next week and a good trading week. And cheers for now.